In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redact text in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Redaction is the secure way to permanently remove sensitive information from a PDF so it can't be revealed by copying, searching, or inspecting the file later. It's different from simply covering text with a shape or highlighting it. Here's how to do it clearly and safely from start to finish. First, launch Adobe Acrobat on your device. Give it a moment to load so all tools are available. Then open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Make sure you're working in the Pro version so you have access to the redaction features you need. Next, look to the left menu pane and click All Tools. From that list, select Redact a PDF. This opens Acrobat's redaction workspace and brings up a dedicated toolbar designed for removing content securely. You'll see options focused on identifying and marking content for permanent deletion. Choose Redact Text and Images. This tells Acrobat you're going to select specific parts of the document to remove. Your cursor will change to indicate you're in selection mode. At this point, think carefully about what needs to go. Only mark what truly must be removed. Now, select the text you want to redact. Click and drag your cursor over the exact text, and a red border will outline the selected area to show what will be deleted. Take your time here. Zoom in if needed so you can capture only the correct words, numbers, or phrases. If the border doesn't look right, adjust your selection before you move on. You can repeat this selection for each instance you intend to remove so everything sensitive is clearly marked. When your selections look correct, apply the redaction by clicking the Apply button on the redaction toolbar. Acrobat will process the areas you marked and replace them with a visible redaction mark while permanently removing the underlying content. This step finalizes what you previewed with the red borders, so treat it as your final pass. A warning pop-up will appear to confirm that this content will be permanently removed and cannot be undone. Click OK or continue to proceed. This is your safeguard moment. Once you confirm, the selected text is irreversibly deleted from the file. If you're confident in your selections, accept the warning and let Acrobat complete the process. That's it. You launched Acrobat, opened your PDF, navigated to redact a PDF, chose Redact Text and Images, marked exactly what you wanted gone, applied the redaction, and confirmed the permanent removal. Follow these steps whenever you need to securely protect sensitive details in a PDF.